Hi students, it's me Reshna, your computer science teacher. In the previous section we have discussed about the uses of computer and the various fields in which we are using computer. In this section we are discussing about the difference between computer and man. We know computer is a machine which is made by man and computers are used for doing our works very easily and quickly. Also, they can do the works accurately. It means that they can do the works in a perfect manner without making any mistakes. Let us see how a computer is different from the human beings. In the case of speed, that is, the speed of doing works, computer is very fast while human beings are slow. The computer can do works in a very fast manner. They are very fast than that of human beings. Tiredness. Computer never gets tired. Human beings gets tired very easily. So our computer can do repetitive tasks or works in an easy way and they never gets tired. Mistakes. They never makes mistakes while man can make mistakes. Memory. Computer never forgets anything. They have a large memory. But we human beings can forget, isn't it? We may forget to do homeworks. hmm? We may forget what we studied in the previous classes, isn't it? But our computer has a large memory and it never forgets anything. Thinking. Computer cannot think because it is a machine. Okay. But we human beings can think. We have thinking power. Okay. Whenever we are in a trouble, we can think and make decision. But our computer cannot think. Electricity. Computer needs electricity to do work. Without electricity, our computer cannot do work. But about us, we don't need any electricity to do work, isn't it? We have energy and we don't need any electricity to do work. Instructions. Our computer needs instructions to do work. That is, if we want to do something with our computer, then we have to say the computer to do the work by saying it how to do that task. Okay, then only it can do the task or work. So, we should instruct them to do work. But we human beings do not need any instructions. We can think ourselves and we can make decisions and we can do works in our own manner. We don't need any instructions. A computer is a machine made by man. So, man is the master. Who is the master? Man is the master. A man gives instructions to the computer and the computer always follows the instructions. So, whenever we want to do some works with our computer, okay, then we can give instructions to the computer. And the computer will follow or the computer will obey what we say to the computer. Okay, so who is the master? We. We human beings are the master. And computer is just a machine which is made by man. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on next class.